Week agreement. So here is a software developer opportunity from the IBM company for 2025 batch students. Location is Ahmedabad. Role is entry level software developer. So you can go through the company details here. IBM roles and responsibilities also mentioned here. You can read all the details clearly. Required technical details are mentioned. So you should be very good at Java, C, C++, Go or Scala, any one language is sufficient, I think. Strong problem determination and resolution skills. Knowledge in SQL databases and knowledge in Linux and operating systems. Year of passing is 2025. So they mentioned very clearly. So the interested students can apply for it and share to all your friends and like the video without fail for better reach. Link is provided in the description box. Thank you all.